Oh, your singing, dear mountain rain, your beautiful voice and words, beautiful performances. When I think of you, I am wondering what me and you would do. I love to write songs about how much I love you and show you through my words, from my heart, what I would do when I'm thinking about you. For love brings my only song when I'm thinking about you. When it's cold and wet and the rain is pouring down, I only stop to think this beautiful sound of the mountain rain and the beautiful voice and the words and the beautiful performances. And when I think of you, I am wondering, what are you thinking about me?